Auto good fam, buckle up, because today we're diving into the big, bold, and unapologetically powerful new face of Nissan's full-size SUV lineup. This is the 2025 Nissan Armada All New, a flagship SUV that drops the old naturally aspirated V8 and embraces a modern, muscular twin-turbo powertrain while still delivering the space, capability, and commanding presence you expect from a true American full-size SUV. This isn't just an update, it's a leap forward. From the moment you see the 2025 Armada All New, it's clear Nissan wasn't playing it safe. The design is wider, taller, and more assertive than ever. A bold grille with an expansive mesh motif dominates the front, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a serious, focused stare. Muscular wheel arches and a long, squared-off profile give it an unmistakable road presence, and the stance makes it look ready to tow, haul, or simply dominate the curb appeal contest in any neighborhood. This isn't a soft family crossover, this is full-size SUV energy in its purest form. Under that bold exterior is where the Armada gets truly exciting. Nissan has paired a new twin-turbocharged V6 engine with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, producing roughly 420 horsepower and well over 400 pounds-ft of torque. This powertrain replaces the old naturally aspirated V8 with a more efficient, torquey unit that delivers strong, mid-range punch and confident acceleration, whether you're merging onto highways or towing heavy trailers. And let's talk towing. The all-new Armada is engineered to confidently tow upwards of 9,000 pounds, making it a serious contender for hauling boats, campers, or weekend toys without breaking a sweat. But this new Armada isn't just about straight-line muscle. Nissan engineered the chassis and suspension for a refined ride that balances comfort and control. The adaptive suspension system smooths out rough pavement and highway irregularities while still maintaining composure when you push it harder. Steering feels composed for a full-size SUV, and the overall driving dynamics reflect Nissan's modern tuning, confident on the road, poised on the highway, and surprisingly nimble for such a sizable vehicle. Inside, the Armada All New embraces premium space and technology that feel worthy of a flagship model. You're greeted with a large, high-resolution infotainment screen loaded with wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, crisp navigation, and intuitive menus that make tech interaction simple and quick. The digital driver display is customizable and easy to read at a glance, giving you real-time vehicle info right where you need it. Materials throughout the cabin feel premium. Soft touch panels, available leather seating, contrast stitching, and elegant trim options give it a luxury SUV vibe without feeling pretentious. Now let's talk real-world pricing. In the US, the 2025 Nissan Armada All New lands in a range that starts around $60,000 to $65,000 for base trims and climbs toward $75,000 with premium packages and tech upgrades. In Canada, pricing typically starts in the $80,000 CAD range, while in other markets where it's offered, like the Middle East and select parts of Asia, prices reflect local taxes and trim specifics but remain competitive. For a full-size flagship SUV with this level of capability and refinement, auto good fam, the 2025 Nissan Armada All New proves that full-size American SUVs can still evolve. It's powerful, sophisticated, and packed with tech, yet it stays true to what loyal Armada buyers love: space, strength, and the confidence only a big SUV can provide. With its twin-turbo heart and modern design, this SUV doesn't just carry you, it commands wherever it goes.